CBSC te TBSC bedego Kokborokno Bengali script by Phrwngjaknani patimungno sejawai srangshalo khadumani rally khlaimani logi Rwng Bedekni Tangnok Kitingwi Gereblaikha TISF mothani rung shurungnai rok manjaka ex mantri Mebar Kumar Jomatia tei TISF ni incharge David Murashingno khoboi kubun o jamaro
TISF long live TISF long live Bedekni Kokborokno Ruman script by chalo
Kokborokno Ruman script by no Phrwngjaknani Sanmungo sawai srangshalo khadumani rally khlaimani logi Rwng Bedekni Tangnok Kitingwi Gereblaikha TISF mothani rung shurungnai rok CBSC te TBSC bedego Kokborokno Bengali script by Phrwngjaknani patimungo keboti prasha rung shurungnai rok gosiwina hargalak oboni bagai Rwng Bedekni obohai samungno sejawai srangshalo Rwng Bedekni dagifangni thani kaisa deputation yafarka TISF Rally o TISF ni rung shurungnai rok bai baksa himka ex mantri Mebar Kumar Jomatia tei TISF ni incharge David Murashingno khoboi kubun o jamaro
It is Ruman script issues. As you all know, Ruman script is all favor of our people. Even left from government. During that regime also they have a commission, Basa Commission. That Basa Commission report also we found that Ruman script is a favorable script. But I don't understand why this BJP government is lingering the issue. And as you all know, now we have a strong movement. Tripura is have a strong movement, especially the student wing. The TISF is organizing the protest rally, mass rally against the decision of the state government, the Bengali script. And it is not only Agartala, whole of the state that performing their activities. And hopefully the Indian government, as the state government, will take care of this issue. And you know, language is a sensitive issue. And Kokborokno is the official language, not second language. Most of people, they misunderstand. They're saying that this is second language. No, this is the state language, first language. Being a state language, they should have honor. They should have due importance. That Kokborokno Ruman script should be introduced immediately. And if the government is not taking initiative, this movement will go on. And now this sensitive issue, all students are now come forward to support Ruman script. And if they not normally if they don't pass this bill issue, then there are many means, there are many sources that we're going to fight for the cause of our Ruman script. And hopefully the state government will rethink for the decision of Bengali script. Thank you.
The script by the process student of Sanmungo, a script by Rajya Sarkar, CBSC board of Scenaria, CBSC board of Scenaria, Zabardost Kichini Pora Khainamu Sojago. Here are student Borok Nayo neutral position. The script by the process Sanmungo, as script by the board of Sanmungo. Our Kachini main demand, they Tripura has 70% area and ADC area. ADC area ni 16 lakh people nibangai sub-divisional wise college terus apa nibangai sub-divisional wise kaisa kelainai college kaisa ADC elakau kaisa tu university kaisa tu dei kaisa angka student bro Chini je college of pornai rok Chhatra Sangsad ne bising tei chungno parang kaijago torture kaijago Chini uporo Chini Chhatra no daily no discrimination kaijago apa nibangai reservation estimate Chhatra Sangsad student council 50% estimate joto college no higher education reservation sunishchit khainai Chini adhikar no sunishchit khaijak
koita demand tu rejang na
Chini tabo apato tinta demand main ke to script issue
tai juta isu
dei kaisa enggak ke subdivisional wise ADC elaka college kaisa ke markinai university kaisa dei kaisa enggak ke 50% estimate ni reservation mar nai student council
Obo haikeno a shalo TISF ni bakhaktui haste ni joto bakhaste amchayo kaisa degree college Sanmungo Sanmungo shakha Raja Khor aguli nishimi omitni kokthum Chini Khorang